Day 16 on the Puy Camino. I left Saint-Cirq-Lapopie in the rain, but as the morning unfolded, the skies cleared and the walk softened. Today, the path followed the Lot River, quiet, reflective. As I reached Vires, I just have 2 days left on the Céle Valley Variant. In 2 days, I will be back on the GR 65, headed toward Saint-Jean-Pied-de-Port.
Well, leaving Lapopie and heading toward Vires. I got 2 more days here in the Céle Valley, and of course it's raining. What's not supposed to? It's just supposed to be early morning rain, so hopefully this is going to be it. I just waited out a couple quick little showers that came through. Probably going to have a couple more before the next couple hours anyway. So we're on our way. Don't get the great views with the sky gray like it is, but it's still an adventure. I got 59 more days to go. Here we go. I thought I knew. Oh, this is day 15. It's day 15 or day 16. Just started the second week. So here we go. I just started the third week. Oops. So the lady at the retreat I was at today, last night, told me that her spring in the back, first time in 8 years, it actually bubbled up. So I'm guessing maybe it might be the same along the way here. But honestly, this is, I don't know if you would call this runoff or a spring, but pretty cool. Here we go.
Wish that I could stay. Wish for this moment to never go away.
I just pulled over a car to ask if I was on the right trail here. It turned me onto this road, but you know what? They could put markers out after a while, and that's frustrating. She told me that I'm going to go up here a little ways and then go to the left and start going downhill. So I'm going to take her word for it. And she wish there were more markers. Let's go.
All in my mind, and though I know that there is nothing to find.
Well, I've had to do some backtracking and some big circling around it, but I'm back on the trail. Let's get her done. Let's get the veers.
You're a beautiful sight in the summer night, and you can't put up a fight in the misty light. Streets all alone, and all you can see, thinking about what your life came to be. You're a beautiful sight in the summer night, and you can't put up a fight in the misty light. Like the mothers of Brazil find their way. We're all on our own, but you're the most beautiful I've ever known. You're a beautiful sight in the summer night, and you can't put up a fight in the misty light.